Hello, before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload new videos. Keep watching until the end of the video to see the interior shots, exterior shots and the full review. This is the latest model to join the second-generation Mercedes-Benz GLE lineup, the GLE 350de 4Matic. It's also the latest in what the German car maker says will be up to 20 plug-in hybrid models in its range by the end of 2020. The driveline used by the GLE 350de is similar to that already used in the C300de and E300de. At the heart of the SUV is a longitudinally mounted turbocharged 2.0-litre four-cylinder diesel engine developing 192 bhp and 295 pound-feet of torque. This is supported by an electric motor, mounted within the standard 9-speed automatic gearbox, that produces up to 134 bhp and 324 pounds featuring together. These two power sources provide a total system output of 315 bhp and 516 pound-feet, some 11 bhp shy but level on torque with the turbocharged 3.0-litre six-cylinder diesel-powered GLE 400de. It's sufficient, says Mercedes, to propel the GLE 350de from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds and up to an electronically limited top speed of 131 miles per hour. The large battery has compromised boot capacity to the tune of 140 litres. With the standard fixed rear seats in place, regular combustion engine GLE variants have 630 litres of cargo space, while the GLE 350de makes do with 490 litres. Meanwhile, rear seats down capacity drops from 2055 litres to 1915 litres. The driveline is wonderfully integrated, to the point that we genuinely enjoyed exploring each and every one of the GLE 350de's driving modes. Few cars deliver quite the same broad operating qualities, and the overall refinement on part throttle loads is such that there are times when you're scarcely aware of what power source is doing the work. With its battery providing a more than token electric range, you can lay down extended distances in electric mode alone without depleting all of the energy in one go. Switch to hybrid mode and the diesel engine chimes in and out in a seamless fashion, thanks in part to the excellent 9-speed automatic gearbox, which uses a new integrated clutch mechanism to apportion the combined reserves to each axle. Performance is quite impressive when the car is driven in hybrid mode. The generous torque provides strong step-off and calm cruising qualities. That said, the two power units are asked to haul a lot of weight. There are times when the engine has to work quite hard to keep progress strong, not least under full acceleration. As such, it pays to relax and let the GLE 350de's newly developed power electronics system decide what's best for any given driving condition. For those looking for towing qualities, there's good news here. This car has a towing capacity of up to 3,500 kilograms. It can also be specified with a so-called trailer maneuvering assist system, which automatically controls the steering angle for adding ease of maneuvering and parking. Unlike early plug-in hybrid systems developed by Mercedes, here the brakes impart confidence, there's proper feel and linear qualities to the pedal. The amount of electric energy regenerated under braking, meanwhile, is very impressive. It's never going to save you from having to top up the battery from time to time, but there has been a marked advance in this area, because it's now achieved via all four wheels rather than just two. When it comes to recharging the battery, the GLE 350de holds one decisive advantage over many of its upmarket plug-in hybrid SUV rivals in that it supports charging at a rate of up to 60 kilowatts, at which Mercedes claims a full recharge takes just 30 minutes. With a claimed 62-mile electric range and markedly improved regeneration qualities, most commutes can be achieved on battery energy stores alone. The added weight brought on by its complex driveline has robbed the suspension of some of its compliance. However, with Mercedes' latest air spring technology, the GLE 350de still manages to deliver a quiet and cosseting ride that suits its interior ambience. The dashboard and controls, including its generously dimensioned digital instrument and infotainment displays, are high in quality and lend the new GLE a markedly more upmarket air than its predecessor. The driving position and seats, meanwhile, are terrific. The GLE 350de is well worth considering if you're in the market for a luxury SUV, especially if you spend a good part of your time on urban roads and are therefore seeking zero emissions compatibility but also head out on occasional longer trips. With a torque-laden electric motor and the largest capacity battery in its class, the GLE 350de delivers what many plug-in hybrids can't, namely a truly extended electric-only range. And for longer journeys, you've got the inherent frugality of a diesel engine, albeit one that sometimes has to work hard to shift the new Mercedes-Benz model's hefty weight, as backup.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Subscribe to Auto TV.